Hello student, how are you? Hope you are good. As we all know, our board examination is now very near. So, the Saraswati schooling system in associated with Sri Saraswati Institute presenting you the short lectures of important topic. So, let's start. So, now we're going to learn about the practical application of heating effect. See, sometime what happens, student just got confused about when they read from the textbook. In textbook they have written something very drastic words which they don't understand they have to write in exam, so student gets confused about that. So today I'm going to give you very simple examples, very simple language, so you can learn and you can remember easily from it. So the practical application of heating effect, it's only the three-part categories. Three-part categories, if you will going to learn, if you will going to remember this three-part, the main topic that electric bulb, electric iron and fuse. So from there you can directly learn and directly write in your exam. See, first the application is electric bulb. As we know very well, when a current is passed through the wire, it start to emitting the heat, and due to the heat it can be used in a many way to an application. So first is electric bulb. The filament of the bulb given light because of the heating effect of electricity. The filament of bulb is generally made up of is tungsten. Tungsten, you know very well, have you seen that when sometime in bulb there is wire is there, spring coil type of wire is there. So this wire is made up of this tungsten, and the symbol of this tungsten is W, and it having the high melting point which is the 3380 degree Celsius. So tungsten, when the current is passed through the tungsten, it produces the heat, but heat is less amounted, but high amount of it produce the light which is used in the filament of bulb. After that, the electric iron. When the high resistive metal, when high resistive metals pass the current through it more amount of heat is produced. Hence the electricity Hence, the electric iron, the element of the made up of the alloy having high melting point, a filament name is nichrome. So you have to remember the nichrome name. Why nichrome? Nichrome, the wire which has the high resistivity. Due to the high resistivity, when the current is passed through the nichrome, it produces high amount of heat, and the high amount of heat which we are using in many appliances like electric irons, electric geysers, toasters, etc., etc. Hence see that name is nichrome. Same in geyser, heater. Nichrome has high resistivity. As I told you that it has high resistivity, hence it conduct the electricity, and due to the conduct the electricity and due to the high resistivity, it produce more amount of heat. Then third is fuse. Fuse, we know very well that fuse is we are using in household when the high amount of voltage or high amount of electric current is directly occupied from the transportation or from the main power supplies, and it directly enters to your household. So due to the fuse, your many appliances is got safe. What happened in fuse? That fuse you have seen, fuse is made up of the porcelain material. Now what is the porcelain material? Porcelain material which has the high melting point. It not melt on only within the few temperature or the few heating effect. It having high melting point, hence this material is known as porcelain. Might you have seen the porcelain material? It is seems like you have seen that sausage, that material. Similarly the fuse porcelain material is same, and in fuse there is two metallic wire is there which are connected by a appropriate current appliances of wire. Appropriate, what is mean of appropriate? That the safety device it made up of the tin, SN and lead, PB. It has low melting point. Why low melting point? When the hike of voltage is entered in your household, that directly due to the low melting point, this high voltage is melt that wire, and immediately your circuit breakdowns. Hence, due to the low melting point, hence it melts and breaks the circuit, and due to the break the circuit, the high voltage is not supposed to enter in your household, and your appliance is supposed to be safe. Hence, these three formula, these 3 point you have to remember, and you have to write for the practical appliances of heating effect. Thank you.